Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to another thrilling journey into the cosmos. Ever wonder how we could clean up the clutter in our orbit and protect Earth from incoming meteors? Space is getting crowded with all the satellites, old rocket parts, and other debris floating around. I've got something mind-blowing to share with you today. Anti-gravity technology. This isn't just a concept from your favorite sci-fi movie, it's becoming a reality. Imagine this, a sleek, futuristic vessel gliding effortlessly through space. No more fuel constraints or gravitational pulls to worry about. This isn't just sci-fi, folks. It's based on the vortex theory of atomic particles, proposed by Dr. Russell Moon. This groundbreaking theory could change everything we know about space travel. According to this theory, every electron has an anti-gravity force. This means that by manipulating these forces, we can create a vessel that defies gravity. Harnessing this force, our vessel can defy gravity, making space travel and clean up a breeze. Let's dive in and see how this works in practice. Picture our anti-gravity vessel maneuvering through Earth's orbit. It moves with such precision and ease, it's almost like it's dancing among the stars. It's equipped with an energy field, a sort of tractor beam that can capture and contain space debris. This technology is not only innovative, but also essential for maintaining a clean and safe space environment. Old satellites, leftover rocket parts and other fragments, gone. This vessel can sweep through space, collecting all the junk that's been left behind. The vessel can reach all altitudes and inclinations, ensuring a thorough cleanup. No piece of debris is too high or too low for this advanced technology. This could prevent potential collisions with the International Space Station and other satellites. But wait, there's more. This technology isn't just about cleaning up space. The same anti-gravity tech isn't just for cleaning up. It has the potential to revolutionize how we defend our planet. It's also our shield against incoming meteors. Imagine a vessel that can detect and deflect meteors before they even come close to Earth. By generating a localized gravitational field, the vessel can alter a meteor's trajectory, pushing it away from Earth. This could be our ultimate defense mechanism against space threats. Imagine the peace of mind knowing we have a defense system in place against space threats. No more sleepless nights worrying about potential meteor impacts. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does this anti-gravity mechanism work? The science behind it is as fascinating as it is complex. While the specifics are still under wraps, the potential applications of the vortex theory are endless. Scientists are working tirelessly to unlock all the secrets this theory holds. Not only could it revolutionize space travel and debris cleanup, but it might also solve global warming, achieve faster-than-light spaceship speeds, and even provide a new understanding of the universe. The possibilities are truly limitless. Exciting, right? The future of space exploration and planetary defense is looking brighter than ever. So there you have it. Anti-gravity technology could be the game changer we need to keep our orbit clean and our planet safe. It's a fascinating blend of science and imagination, and who knows, we might be on the brink of a new era in space exploration. One day we might see these vessels in action, making space a safer place for all. The future is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to make them a reality. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting space content. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in space technology. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep dreaming big. The stars are the limit.